Those that have visited us previously, you know this is the Fabrication Department. It's about 700 square metres. We've got some jib cranes, got a variety of machines, gillos, welders, robot welders. We're currently producing some stainless steel fabrication work, which give you a close-up look at some of the workmanship that comes out of Moxon. So this is like beyond normal. This is piece of art, to be honest with you. These machines, quite a good story. They're for an Australian manufacturer of confectionery, lollies, and they export these machines all over the world. They make a decision to manufacture them here locally. They build them, they commission them, they get them right, and then they send them overseas to their client. We're very grateful for our customers to make that decision. Yes, it does cost more. Yeah, we might not be as fast as some of the larger companies, but I can tell you, not only here, but over here, the quality of work that they're getting, knowing that if there's a problem, they just have to pick up the phone and head down and have a look at us, have a look at the shop, have a look at the job, warranty claims, any questions, anything at all can be done here.